As an investor, have you wondered if you could design a well-diversified portfolio that can tackle most market situations and can help you take advantage of opportunities across market cycles? Introducing to you the HDFC Multi-Cap Fund, a fund that comes with the flexibility to invest across market caps, helping you reduce the overall volatility of your portfolio. Now you will probably wonder, what are these multi-cap funds? Well, these are funds that invest a minimum of 25% in each of the large, mid and small cap category. Large caps are the category consisting of the top 100 well-established companies in India according to their market cap. Mid-cap category consists of companies ranked from 101 right up to 250th according to their market cap. And the small cap category consists of high growth companies ranked from 251st onwards. The remaining 25% of investments are invested across market segments or in debt or money market instruments. Fund managers also have the option to invest up to 10% of the total assets in REITs or InvITs. REITs and InvITs are expected to provide predictable debt-like returns and a completely new asset class. In terms of overall risk and return, multi-cap funds are positioned between large and mid-cap funds. So how would investing in all these different market caps help your overall portfolio? You see, different market caps perform differently under various market conditions. Over the past 16 years, large caps have performed better on 6 occasions, mid cap on 3 occasions, and the small cap on about 7 occasions. Going the multi-cap approach way helps you as an investor to focus on diversification instead of predicting outperformance or underperformance of different market cap segments. The scheme's benchmark index is the Nifty 500 Multi-Cap 50-25-25 index, which has got a 50% weightage to large caps and a 25% each to mid and small caps. This index has outperformed Nifty 500 by 1.3% CAGR over the long term. At a 16.39% CAGR, a rupees 1 lakh investment would have fetched you well over 12.3 lakhs over a 16-year period. Now you probably are wondering why the HDFC Multi-Cap Fund. HDFC plans have effectively led investors through difficult years like the dot-com collapse of 2000 and the financial crisis of 2008. Whether it's the HDFC Flexi Cap Fund, the Tax Saver Fund, the HDFC Top 100 Fund, or even the Equity Hybrid Fund, they have all given over 18 to 20% CAGR returns since their inception. And the credit for this goes to the experienced fund managers at HDFC. Mr. Gopal Agrawal, who is the fund manager for the HDFC Multi-Cap scheme, has a solid track record, having previously spent 10 years with Mirae Asset Global Investments and was responsible for their initial super performance. So who should really go about investing in this fund? If you are someone with a medium to long-term investment horizon, looking for a disciplined exposure to large, mid and small caps, then the HDFC Multi-Cap Fund can be a great pick for you. The fund could be a good option for investors who wish to diversify across market capitalization. Interested in a fund without a style bias that aims to capture opportunities across growth, value and turnaround companies, then the HDFC Multi-Cap Fund is your go-to fund.